In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix friends can't join you in Roblox. So if your friends are unable to join you in your experiences, then there are two possibilities. Either one, you have disabled your online status and therefore no one can see your current experiences and join, or you might be having a glitch on your Roblox account. So let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and once we are here, head over to more option here and then go to settings. Now under settings, choose privacy and content restrictions and then choose visibility and private servers. Choose the first option, visibility, and you can see here, show current experience is currently turned to no one. And for this reason, no one can see your current experience and join you. So you need to go ahead and enable this. However, if I try to enable this, it will be impossible because my online status has been set to no one. So you need to go ahead and enable first your online status to be visible, and then you can now enable show current experience by choosing the first option here, or you can also restrict it to your connections or any of these. Now from here, your friends will be able to join you. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge after performing this, you need to go ahead and find your app and then just long press on it and then tap on app info. And under the app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here on the app, you can see a breakdown of data that this app uses. Of importance is this cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. So to clear this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. And then restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, should this not fix your problem, then go ahead and tap on force stop, and this will go ahead and force your app to stop and then launch it. However, if you have any other issue, you might want to clear now the app data by choosing the first option, clear all data, and now you should be okay. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issue related to your friends being unable to join you on your experience in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.